This is the volunteers at the Crisfield boat docking contest. I think they said this is 1,500 square foot American flag. Look at these guys. And gals. This is what makes this a great town.
Really amazing when that
Mr. Fluharty. Oh, see, can you see by the dawn's ray?
Look at this guy.
Let's see. Go ahead, go ahead. With broad stripes and white stars.
Yeah, just so I can get 3
Get a picture from the balcony of the flag now.
There he goes. He found his tool. Where's Michael?
That was smart.
Huh?
That was smart.
Yeah. She's
There
right
he
up
is,
there.
right in there.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
I don't want that.
Somebody ask Nelson if we're going to be all right if the tide comes up. The flag ain't going to get wet, is it?
That's where the boats will be docking later on. Crane operator is going way up there. Way. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna fall. Okay. Looks like they got the ever so faithful zip ties. One more. Good morning.
Ricky, we're gonna just stay right there. We'll come down here.
Oh, you're good. I'm gonna put you right. You're gonna be on YouTube Stars. Wave to the crowd. No, you, honey. I'm gonna get you right in there. Look, there. There he is. Okay. 1,500 square feet, I think they say.
Hey, you hear that? Let's start going up. You guys walk this way.
Here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's light?
There, you got walk towards us.
Woohoo! Woo!
I'm stumped. But anyway, good. Thank you.
I'd like to have. Woohoo!
Look where the top of that mast is.
Amazing.
Oh, say, can you see?
Just to bring that to your construction. Just to bring it.
Wow. And he donated it?
15, anywhere from
Whoa! Woohoo!
$300.
That's amazing.